Let's take some random toilet noises from SLAPS and do a beat with it. So nasty. Yeah. Let's take those low ends off. Let's add some OTT. It's so wet. Maybe some effector. That's crazy. Let's try this and pitch it down a little bit. So I don't know why that sample is like twitching a little bit, like from here. You can see it's like twitching. Okay, let's fit it to, can you see it's twitching? It's weird. The second part needs to be a little bit different. Let's make this unique and try to pitch this like. There needs to be like a flashing noise, like. Crazy toilet beat. Whoa. Let's activate the EQ from here to the. Why is it twitching like that? It's so weird. Stop twitching. What the hell? Okay, let's now render this as an audio to here. Pitch it like. I'm losing my mind with this. Oh. What is the pitch of that? Maybe G. let's pitch it down to this one. Let's put some destruction there. Maybe this one. Okay, how should we start this? Maybe it can start with the drums, like with the snare and the hats. Maybe a G chord there in the beginning. Too happy. Put an 808 bass there, like maybe this one. Screech or something. Yeah. And maybe automate the volume here a little bit so it comes like. Happening? What is happening? Why it's twitching like that? That's crazy. Come on. What the? What is going on? We need to do a volume automation. This beat is so weird, I don't know. I'm so done with this beat. Yeah, what do you think?